How to invite friends on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can invite your friends on Temu. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to invite friends on the Temu app, all you have to do is just go ahead and actually launch the Temu application on your phone. Then once you launch the Temu app, you want to make sure that you're signed in. Now, by the way, if you have not ever invited someone, by default, it is actually going to give you a pop-up to try to invite someone. But in case you don't see that pop-up, what you can do is right over here from the bottom, you can select a little U button or this profile icon, right? Just tap on that profile icon and then you'll come to this page where you need to scroll and then look for the option called free gifts. You can see earn credits and free gift. So just select this over here. So basically you actually want to select a gift that you want to get. So I'll just select credit giveaway and then I'll tap on the get now button. Now when you tap on the get now button, depending upon what kind of gift you're actually using, you have to simply share or invite your friends to draw and get more options. So just tap on the share to draw option. Now over here you simply want to select on which platform do you want to share. So you can simply select any of the platform here, and then once you select the platform, you can simply share this with any of your friends over here and then just tap on the send button. Basically once you tap on the send button, you can just tap on the done button, and after that your message will be successfully sent and the invitation will also be sent as well. That is it for this video on how you can invite friends on Temu. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.